In this video, we're going to take a look at our first meal in the Amphora restaurant on Star Ledge. As you can see from looking at the menu, it was New Year's Eve, and this was listed as a gala dinner. You saw the menu there. This was the tomato and watermelon salad. This was the butter leaf salad. It was really good. This was the green apple granite. You can think shaved ice with green apple flavor. It was designed to clear the palate. There's our entrees, and you get a chance to see what we chose. I had the lobster tail in butter. It was the best lobster I've ever eaten. Cheryl had the black pepper beef tornadoes, and she really enjoyed them. The meat was a little more rare than she liked, but other than that, it was perfect. There's the dessert menu coming up. And I had the southern pecan pie. Now, I'll say this, it was not like the southern pecan pie I'm used to, in that it was a little bit dry and crumbly. Normally in the South, they tend to be a little bit gooey and oozing a little bit of syrup.